a tiny sound. Little tummy goes rumble round. Tiptoe steps on the sleepy floor. Leah walks to the kitchen door. Moonlight follows soft and slow to the fridge with a gentle glow. Hand on the handle, heart goes boom. Something magic fills the room. La la la, what a light, colors dancing in the night. Leah, Leah, don't be shy, magic's calling, come inside. La la la, dreams awake, one small step, a world will break. Golden light and sparkly air, purple clouds are everywhere. Ice cream winks and milk bottles spin. Funny fruits all laugh and grin. Marshmallow floor so soft and sweet. Candy world under tiny feet. La la la, laugh and play in the fridge so far away. Leah, Leah, fly so free in a world of fantasy. La la la, up so high on a cake cloud in the sky. Running through the lollipop trees, chocolate rivers, cookie, fish and breeze. Singing pineapples, smiling pies, rainbow candy falling from the skies. City glowing far and bright, magic fridge in joyful light. But too much held in little arms, colors fade, no magic charms. Smiles fall and music slows, cold wind softly starts to blow. Leah looks and understands, sharing magic's in her hands. La la la, here you go, kindness makes the magic grow. One for you and one for me, sharing sets the magic free. La la la, light returns, every heart again now burns. Dance together, spin around, happy magic all around. La la la, joy so true, kind hearts make dreams come true. Morning sun, a brand new day, magic softly fades away. On the fridge a star so bright, Leah smiles.